Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see about how to access the previous commands. Like I'm giving you one command like print python. Okay, and next simple writing as python itself. So these are my two commands. Okay, first command is that. Now for that, move in options, then in setting, search for keys, and in that you have to search for like history, previous. Okay, then you have to find there for up arrow, means as we click on up arrow we can access the previous commands very easily. Give any name you like. I will write as previous. Click on ok and just apply it. Okay, now you can see as I click on my up arrow in keyboard, I got previous command python, and again if I click the first command I got. So that is really easy and fun. Just try out.